What if I told you that most of what your expensive AI agents do every day could be handled for free? I'm not talking about cutting corners. I'm talking about smart architecture. This week, my multi-agent system finally clicked. Free tier agents handling routine work. Paid agents saving their compute for the problems that actually matter. And an escalation layer connecting them automatically. No manual switching. No babysitting. Let me show you exactly how this works. Here's what nobody tells you when you start building with agents. First, you blow your token budget because every task, no matter how simple, hits your best model. Second, agents fall out of sync the moment you update your context file. I kept updating my context.md and agents restarting with stale info. Third, when an agent fails, it just fails. There's no safety net. I was spending more time managing agents than building. That's backwards. The fix isn't faster agents. It's smarter routing. The architecture is actually simple once you see it. Tier 1 is your free tier agents. They handle maybe 80% of your daily tasks. Formatting, summarizing, routine API calls, content drafts. Tier 2 is your paid models. Claude Opus, GPT-4 level reasoning, reserved strictly for complex decisions, ambiguous problems, and anything requiring real judgment. The magic layer is escalation logic in the middle. When a free agent hits a confidence threshold it can't clear, it hands off automatically. No human required. This week that system went live and it works. 3 implementation details that made this real. 1. Context.md discipline. Agents don't auto-discover updates. You have to update the file before you expect agents to know anything new. I learned this the hard way. Now it's the first step in any workflow change. 2. Clear escalation criteria. Too aggressive and you waste paid tokens on easy problems, too conservative and you waste time on stuck agents. Define thresholds explicitly. 3. Structured memory sections in context.md. Agents recall information dramatically better when it's organized in labeled sections they can directly reference. So what happened? The agent team infrastructure is fully operational. Free and paid tiers are running in tandem. And agent failures are routing upward without me touching anything. My trading bot strategy logged consistent green days. Patience and systematic rules are paying off. Multi-server bot deployment is validated across different permission configurations. Still fighting? Token refresh cycles for paid agents need active monitoring. And keeping Discord permissions consistent across multiple servers is genuinely tedious. But the core architecture? Solid. The next idea I'm excited about. A meta agent that monitors agent performance and auto-tunes model selection dynamically. Here's your takeaway. You don't need more agents. You need smarter routing between the agents you already have. Start with one rule. Identify your 3 most repetitive agent tasks this week and ask whether they actually need a paid model. Probably not. Drop those on a free tier and write one escalation condition. That's your week 1. If you're building real agent systems and want to see how this evolves, subscribe. I document everything raw, including the failures. One man, one claw. Building in public. See you next time.